This is a really neat pattern for black to solve. Black's goal here is to capture these white stones. So what should black do? The first move should be pretty intuitive, is pushing here. Otherwise, white can win this very easily. Right? This is 3 liberties versus 3, so it's a good move to just occupy white's liberties, and of course, white will block here. And the next move really is the key. If black attaris from behind, now this is 3 liberties versus 2. Number 3 really occupied black's own liberty as well. If black plays from the outside, then white can play a number 4. Black cannot come in here, so black will be trapped. And that is why number 3 has to be right here. Black really doesn't have a whole lot of choices, so he can just try all these moves and see which one works. This one will work because if white plays on the left side, now black can come in at number 5. If white connects here, now this is also a 3 liberties on 2. If white pushes here, this is the trickiest move. If black blocks, then black will fail, because once again, black can no longer come in at number 7. And black cannot come in from this side either. However, black can atari from behind. It's a really neat move. White cannot connect. If it connects, black will be able to capture white in this connect and die. So that is why 1, 3, and 5 can guarantee black success. Overall, not too difficult, but it might take a little bit of patience, a little bit of calculation to find number 3, which is the key move here. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.